right, now that we've looked at several ways to factor, we're going to put it all together. Okay, so the first thing you want to check for is, do they have any common factors? Your first step should be take out the greatest common factor. Okay, and then next look at the number of terms in the polynomial. Okay, so if there's only 2 terms, you want to try difference in squares. Okay, and see if they have perfect squares. Now the third thing, if they have 3 items, a trinomial, okay, you want to list all the factors, just like we did, list all the factors of the first term and the last term, and keep checking trial and error until you find the correct one. So let's try that on this next one. All right, step number 1 for this one. What can we take out? Well, the greatest common factor for 7 is a 7. I have 5 x's and 1 x. Okay, I can take 1 out. So I'm going to divide both of these by 7x. Okay, the 7's cancel here. 5 minus 1 leaves me x to the 4th. So I'm going to put an x to the 4th in my parenthesis, bring over my minus. Now 7x divided by 7x is 1. So that's what I have so far. Now I need to check and see if it'll factor again, because it's possible, okay? So when we look at this one, we want to factor this. Now this one's a little new. It's different. This is actually 2 terms and it's difference in squares. Here they squared an x squared, and here they squared a 1. Okay? So I can rewrite this as 7x times x squared plus 1 times x squared minus 1. And if I check that, that will give me x to the 4th minus 1. Now I need to check again. Is there anything else I can do? Okay, well 7x, I can't do anything to that. X squared plus 1, I can't. But this one's minus. Are those perfect squares? Yes, they squared an x. They squared a 1. So this will go again. Bring down your 7x, your x squared plus 1. Now this will factor into x plus 1 times x minus 1. And when I look at all of this, nothing else will factor again. So I know that I'm done. You finally got it completely factored.